We are about to land at Bagdogra Airport. These are the clouds which are running back to this flight, and visibility of the land that has started to be visible now. Still there are clouds and we are amid the clouds. We are surrounded by the clouds. From Bangalore to Bagdogra Airport, it took around 2.5 hours, and very soon, within 5 minutes, we are about to land at Bagdogra Airport. Though it's not allowed to do photography or making videos at this very sensitive airport, because this is important for the defense purposes. So many things are there, that's why it's not allowed to take photographs, make videos. Now the land we have started seeing from the height, I think that might be 1 kilometer above from the land, and these are the clouds which are running back. The temperature has been announced by the pilot, that is 28 degrees Celsius, and the greenery that has started showing, it means that this is Siliguri area. The greenery, the nature, the beauty, the clouds, the temperature, everything that looks to be very fantastic, fantabulous, and water everywhere. These are the fields where cultivation occurs, and jungle you can see in front of you. Almost within 2 minutes we are about to land, because we are very near now. It is lesser than 2 minutes, I think. Just we have landed now. Goose gay. Finally we have landed to the Bagdogra Airport. Yes, we shall feel jerk. Yes, now we have touched the land. Yes, we have landed to the Bagdogra Airport. So from Bangalore to Bagdogra Airport, it took 2.5 hours, and we just slept in the way. We took rest, we took snaps, and finally we reached to the Bagdogra Airport. And the climate that is reported, that is around 28 degrees Celsius. So that is quite nice, because this is the season June, and in the June there are so many areas where temperature is quite high, 49 degrees Celsius above. But here temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, and I think most frequently we experience rain over here. So
नमस्कार, बागडोगरा हवाई अड्डे में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए आप सभी से निवेदन है कि कृपया अपनी कुर्सी पर ही बैठ रहिए। अपना मोबाइल फोन का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। सामान कक्ष होते समय सावधानी बरतें। विमान से उठने से पहले